This is a really cute kitty. Her name is Iris. She is 1.5 years old. Here, let's see if she'll let me pet her. Yes, she will. Okay, let's go find her mouse. I wanted to see if she would do anything if I said that. So it's like this thing that I showed you in my last video. Here it is. Oh my god, that cat's fast. Again? No, don't scratch me, don't scratch me. Why are you going over there? There you go. Okay, wait. Oh, wow. Nice. Where is it? Okay, oh, run, run, run. She's gonna jump, I think. Yes! She's so cute. I love her. Oh, she's going. She's going back to see it. She's going back. She's going back. Where is she? Where has she gone? Oh, she's over there. Oh my god, she like teleported. Yeah, go watch that video. It's funny. I used that paper for a video. I love her. Whatever it's called. Oh yes, you cutie little kitty. I love her. Here, one sec. Actually, her toy. Ready? Oh, just like eating it. Oh my god. Okay. Go get it. Yes, kitty. Okay, we're gonna do this one more, and then I'm gonna say goodbye to y'all. See, I'm trying to be cool by saying to y'all. Okay, ready? One more throw, and then some other stuff. She doesn't even know where it went. Ready? Kitty! Iris! Iris! Go get it! No? Okay. This is my child, by the way. Yeah. Bye, guys. I don't even know if you can see me right now, but comment if you can see me, because I'm probably just gonna post this video without watching it. So, oh, I didn't even record it throwing that for her. Dum, 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 dum. Dum, dum, dum. Oh, she's looking at me. Yes! Okay. Bye, guys. Remember to stay happy and healthy. Bye. Peace out.